Now here in Kyber, here's one of my canvases. I was able to generate some images here, which I used as my thumbnail for the video, right? So what I actually did was I have a thumbnail DNA GPT, and I create images with this. This one specifically creates YouTube viral style thumbnails. It's well trained to do what it does. And I told it that I need a thumbnail. This is what it kicked out. Now I know it's not 16 by 9. I had to double back. And I just, I wasn't really pleased with what I was getting upon its regenerations. And that's just fine. That's expected. It's not perfect yet, right? We're still dealing with artificial intelligence. So if you didn't know, what you can do is, I know it gives you a brief rundown of what it did here, but if you click on this image, it gives you a prompt of the image. And this is different from any conversation out here. So I've known this since the very beginning. You can just click this image and 9 times out of 10, you can copy the text from image, or you can copy right here. So what I did was I took that and I pasted it into the prompt box in Kyber. And that's how I was able to generate stuff like this. Now, what I do want to note is that it is spot on spelling things correctly. Now, this is a godsend. This is not expected from AI. For it to actually spell, and this is the first time that I've done this in a long time with Kyber, that is. I've even tried to, in the earlier days, upload an image with text and do a prompt to see if it can change the text or enhance it. It's tough when you bump up that intensity slider. So it actually will change things around and misspell things pretty often. I have a fix for that inside my membership area. I'll give you a little tip and trick on how you can always generate AI art and still nail perfect titles and text. So to get that type of information, make sure you sign up for my membership and tap in with me. It's free. Don't forget, and share it with a friend. Soon we're going to be opening up affiliate commissions, and you'll be able to share any of the courses that I do have currently on the market. All right, until next time, it's Mike Null, and I'm out. Yeah.